Hi guys, welcome to a week in the life of my mini twists. These are them freshly done a couple hours later, and I will just show you quickly the products that I used, and throughout this video I will show you the progression of my mini twists and how I just maintain my hair throughout the week. So for shampooing, I just used this clarifying shampoo from Healthy Kings Botanicals, which is a local brand here in Barbados. I used this deep conditioner from Camille Rose Naturals, and I absolutely adore this deep conditioner. The softness that it gave my hair, 100% recommend. Although it's on the pricier side, 100% recommend, because a little goes a very long way. So your 8 ounces will last. That is all I'll say for now, and then I will show you my leave-in conditioner, which is this one from Mielle Organics. I know that there is a controversy with mielle at the present moment, but honestly, this was my very first time trying this leave-in, and I was pleasantly surprised. My hair was soaking wet because I usually apply my leave-in in the shower, and really, the slip that this had in the shower, I was shocked. This quickly is in my top 5 favorite leave-in conditioners that I've tried, and I've tried a lot of leave-in conditioners. So this, my thoughts may change as the week goes by, but for now, this, the slip, the moisture, and the softness that it gave my hair, 100% recommend. 12 ounce of product, and you don't need that much in order for your hair to have the slip and the moisture that it needs. I mean, why not? So the purpose of this video, as I said before, is just to show the progression of my mini twists throughout the week and what I do to preserve them. And I'm really judging how the leave-in conditioner behaves throughout the week, and what I use to style my hair is the curly curl cream, but I don't have it with me at the present moment, but I will put it on the screen. I used the curly curl cream to achieve these mini twists, so really and truly I'm just judging how well my hair stays moisturized throughout the week, and as I said, what I do to preserve my mini twists. So stay tuned for the rest of this video to see the progression and how I maintain my mini twists. Alright y'all, so this is officially day 1 of my hair being in mini twists. My hair hasn't left this bonnet for the entire day, and that is a method of preservation if I don't have to go anywhere. So that is what's taking place, and obviously there wouldn't be any excess drying or any excess access to the elements, so there's no need to gauge whether my hair has been dried out excessively or not. So I will check in for day 2 to see if any changes have been made to my hair in terms of moisture and how it holds up overall. Alright y'all, so this is day 2 of the mini twists, and just a quick update, I would have had an extra piece of hair right along here in my last clip, but that was extremely thin compared to the rest of the hair, so I cut it off because hair will indeed grow back. So I said, why not just cut it off? So that is what I did, and today's style is really just a little bang in the front. My hair at the back right here, and that was what I essentially wore for today. My hair still feels moisturized and my hair still feels soft. It's just day 2, so as the days go by, I will let you know how my hair feels, and we'll see if my hair holds up and remains moisturized for the rest of the week. Alrighty guys, so this is day 3. I have put my hair in the same style as yesterday, but what I do notice is that just a little bit of moisture has gone, but my hair is still soft overall and my hair is still pretty much moisturized. Lots of moisture is to be expected from the tropical climate that I live in. The combo is still holding up pretty well regardless of the sun, but it has been raining a lot more, so I am not really expecting my hair to dry out that quickly. We will see how the day progresses, but here is day 3. I just did the same style as yesterday, and what I will do to upkeep it, as I've been doing for the past couple days, well, nights, was put a scarf so that my hair can lay flat, and then I put the bonnet on top of it just to secure it better. So that is what I have been doing, and see you for day 4. Alrighty guys, so this is day 4. I have my hair tied down already. As I mentioned yesterday, this is what I do, and then I put the bonnet on top of it. I did wear the same style as previously shown, so there's nothing to show on that. What I will say is that my hair is losing moisture little by little, but I believe that if I had just used the curly curl cream alone, I would have lost a lot more moisture. So my saving grace is the leave-in conditioner that I used, but we'll see if my thoughts change as the days go by. But this is day 4. Alrighty guys, so this is day 5, and as you're starting to see, my roots are getting a little messy, but that's to be expected when you have hair. It doesn't matter if it's straight or curly, it's going to get frizzy, some faster than others. So what I can note about my hair today is that the softness is starting to disappear, but it's still there. I believe that if, as I said in the previous clip, if I hadn't used the curly curl cream with the leave-in conditioner, I think my hair would have been much drier than how it is now. So I'm grateful that the leave-in conditioner added a little more moisture. And my curls, well, my twists are still bouncy. As I said, they do feel a little dry, but it's not concerning whatsoever. And I'm pretty happy with my results on day 5. So I will check up on day 6 as the time gets hotter. So see you day 6. Alright y'all, so this is day 7 here. I didn't show anything for day 6 because I just had my hair wrapped in my scarf because it didn't go anywhere. So what's the point in not having protection while I'm home? So now that it is day 7 and a week in my mini twists have gone, here are my final thoughts. So for this leave-in conditioner by Mielle Organics, I know that there is a controversy with the brand where people are saying that their hair has fallen out and their hair has gotten damaged, thinning, and just overall baldness. And it is really surrounding the Rosemary Strengthening Collection, not necessarily this line, but I've also heard some people say that they don't care too much about this leave-in conditioner. I absolutely adore this leave-in. I soaked my hair in the shower as I would usually do when I'm applying my leave-in, and I applied this. The slip that it gave was very, very, very amazing, and a little definitely went a long way. I think I needed 4 pumps per section, and that was a good thing. For a 12 fluid ounce bottle, just 4 pumps per section on my head of hair, this will last me for a while. So I am really happy about that. And paired with the curly curl cream that I will show in just a second, I really and truly think that this is a good combination if you want moisture that will last an entire week in humidity. My thoughts still stand with the curly curl cream. If you apply this alone, you will not get as much moisture as when applied with a leave-in conditioner. So the mielle leave-in plus this was a great combo for my mini twists. My hair feels drier than previous days, and that's to be expected within a week. And I am actually quite elated that my hair didn't dry out sooner. I really do enjoy this combo, and I think that this is a combo that I will use for my mini twists in the future if I don't find any other combinations. I'm still testing out the leave-in conditioner with other stylists, so keep on the lookout for those videos. But as it relates to the curly curl cream, I really enjoy this combo. So overall, I would give this combo an 8 out of 10 for the moisture and the hold with my twist. This is a great combo as well. The moisture that you will get from this combo, definitely worth a try. And yes, this is the end of this video. And mind you, I have low porosity here. I'm not sure how it will work with high porosity girlies or more on the medium porosity level, but for low porosity girlies, definitely if you use this leave-in in the shower and then apply this curly curl cream afterwards, you'll be able to get at least a week's worth of moisture. Again, also depending on where you live, but since I live in the tropics and the temperatures range from 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, I really think that this is a great combo for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it to the end, make sure to like it, and if you want to see more content from me, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who's interested in trying the mielle leave-in conditioner or this curly curl cream on mini twist but has no idea how either or both of them will work on their natural hair. Send this video to them, or just send this video to someone interested in natural hair content. And While you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen, and look out for my next video, which will be the Algae Renew Deep Conditioner review. Definitely stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.